really rich.
Alright, you good?
I'm recording. I've been recording.
Awesome. Welcome to Chef's Shorts.
Oh, look at them shorts.
Yes, there's a shorts. This episode we're going to do everyone's favorite thing, summer and popsicles. So, and fireworks, that's the thing. So what we're going to do is take this popsicle, not this one. We're going to take this popsicle and then we're going to yank the stick out, right? Keep it in the wrapper though, because you're going to need that grip. So just kind of, oh god, it's a little soft, so it's going to be a little hard to kind of get out. Uh-oh. There we go, okay. Now you got a little nudge there, a little nudge. So, what you want to do is stick the firework / sparkler right into the center there. So that way it can hold it. So there you go. Put them 2 fingers. Ta-da! Alright, now we have our guest star here with us making his own. There you go. How's that? Is that good? Cool.
Give it a lick.
Alright. Yeah, give it a lick. Thank you. Now let's get to the real fun. So, please guest star. Let's back off into here. Okay. So now don't aim that at me. Don't aim that at me. Aim it that way. Alright. Oh, that's a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Happy 4th of July. Wow. It's very cool. That's how you have. That's how you have fun on a beautiful summer night.